Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we have another quick unboxing, this time an LED headlight from a company called Oushi LED. I bought these bulbs from Amazon, and the plan today is we are going to install these LED bulbs into the high beams of my car. Again, my car is a Volkswagen Jetta, so I'm going to do the high beams today. We're going to replace it with these LEDs and we're going to see if it works, see how bright it is, and let's see if it's going to throw any CAN bus errors. So I already, and sorry for the handheld video today, but trying to do this real quick. I already opened the box, so let me just show you what the outside of the box looks like. That's the H7. The other side of the box, it's a fairly thin box actually, and then just some specifications here on the side. Sorry, I'm doing this handheld today. Product specs is there, so you can see. All right, the bulb does claim to be CAN bus free, so we're gonna check that out when we install it in the high beams. So just moving on to the right here, the contents of the box are these. So we start off with the white gloves. So it does come with cloth gloves to help with installation. And it does have the product manual. It's fairly detailed. It is one-handed, so it's like one piece like that. And then moving on here to the side are the bulbs themselves. So they're actually quite small. So let me pick one up, put it in my hand. There you go. Try not to touch the LED chip itself. Okay, very small. That's the LED chip. See if it will focus. Yeah, very small. Very small. And as you can see, there's no external driver, so this is an all-in-one design, right? So it only has the chipset, the chuck for the H7 plate, the heatsink here, and inside we do have a fan, and then this has an internal driver, which also the company says has that EMC chip and the CAN bus ready chip. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna test that out, and then finally it's just a wire that connects to the H7. All right, so let me set that back down carefully, and then just lastly, this is the foam in the box. All right, so separately I did purchase these ones on Amazon as well. These are the H7 adapters, and the idea here is they need to be installed here. So what we need to do is we're going to install this neck first, the chuck. This is removable and adjustable, so we're going to remove that, install it with this first, and then we will insert the bulb into the housing. Okay, so this one's required for my car. My Volkswagen Jetta does require an H7 adapter bulb. Your car may not need it, so do check your manual before purchasing these bulbs here. Okay, so that was a very quick unboxing, and I do apologize for the slightly shaky video. I had to do this handheld today. So we're gonna go out now to the garage or the driveway, and we're gonna take a look and see when we install this how it works. Thanks guys, see you there. Okay, so here we are now in front of the car. We're gonna replace the high beams today. So the high beams are these inner ones here. These inner bulbs here. We just have to remove this dust boot here, dust cap. And that's it. And as you can see from, I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's really not a lot of room there. So that's why I wanted the all-in-one design, so that I can fit all of the bulb there. In comparison, this is the low beam housing right here. There's a lot more room here compared to the high beam housing. And so if I remove this, just twist that counterclockwise, and then just gotta be careful here. The bulb should come out. Yeah, there's my original halogen. Right, so I'm gonna keep that, so I'm just gonna go put on some gloves before I take this out. But the plan is to take out this clip, the metal clip here, and this handle where my thumbs are. We're gonna remove that to save some room, and then we're gonna plug in the H7 and see if it works. All right, we'll be back. All right, so we're doing a bit of testing here. I got it attached to the power source, and as you can see, it's turned on. It's really bright, and I apologize for the wind. It's a little windy today. That's the LED. The fans are running. It's really bright. Let's check it on the other side. It's really bright, guys. Okay, there is a problem though. Unfortunately, it is not CAN bus, or at least it's not working on this car. So, yeah, that looks like a fail. But what we're gonna try is I'm gonna put this back in the box for now, and I'm gonna try to get a CAN bus decoder, and we'll see if it works. All right, we'll be back. All right, so installation done. As you can see here, there's really no room, so the plug is actually outside and the wire is sticking out, and the rubber boot is just kind of on there. It should be fine. I did wrap the plugs with electrical tape so that it will be at least protected from the elements. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to use this as is for now, and then I'm going to look for a CAN bus decoder, and then maybe a dome shaped cover so that I can try to fit at least the plugs inside and the decoder can be outside. But the plugs are on. It's daytime right now though, but there it is. We'll check again at nighttime and see how bright this is. Alright, so good news. I got the CAN bus decoder installed, and the errors went away. It's actually working now. So let's do this. I'm gonna put on the high beams. See that? See the icon coming in, but no bulb out icon. That's great. So let me turn on the headlights and actually turn it on fully like that. Very nice. So let me just go here. See, high beams working. This is how I installed it. Where is it? So the way I installed it, it's actually inside now, and I forgot to do a video of what the CAN bus decoder looked like, but I'll put the link on the video so you can see what it looks like. It's basically a small decoder. I tried to find the smallest decoder I could find because space is very limited in the high beam side. One thing I also purchased is a different rubber dust cover. This one is the dome shaped one. It extends out, so not like the flat OEM ones, because you do need the space, the extra space here, to put everything inside, the CAN bus decoder and the wires, make sure they're inside. And then just to be safe, I also try to tape the sides here, so it will try to keep it on there. But yeah, everything is working well. High beams are running great. It's bright, so next thing to do is do a test drive and see how the high beams look on the road. So that is the Oushi H7 LED headlight bulbs. Even though the bulb claimed to be CAN bus error free, it still threw an error on my car, so that was a bummer. But luckily, I found a nice small CAN bus decoder for it. As a high beam, I think it works great. I'm not sure how this would work as a low beam because I didn't install it as a low beam, but as a high beam, it was definitely much brighter than my halogens and definitely lights up the road much better. Lastly, because of some space constraints on my high beams, I needed to upgrade the dust cover to the dome ones so that I can have that extra space to fit everything inside. So overall, I'm very happy with this purchase, minus the CAN bus error, but that was quickly fixed by the decoder, so that was good. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll put some links to the items below for the items that I bought in the description below. And until next time, thanks for watching.